how we can get rid of the moral distractions.
This plantation drive, it depicts your moral and environmental consciousness, because when you are conscious about your environment, basically it means that your conscience is alive, because this environment, it has not a fallout on a single family, but this environment as such, it has fallout upon the entire humanity. If there are climatic changes, if there is some degradation in environment, it means that each and every human being will be affected. So, as far as our religious scriptures are also concerned, you know that our Prophet ﷺ said that you must always lend a helping hand to the humanity. So, whenever you plant trees, you are basically, what you are doing, you are trying your bit to cleanse your air, your atmosphere. You are providing shelter to many birds. You are, for example, if you plant a tree somewhere, even if you are in your grave, somebody comes and he sits in the shadow of that very tree. That very shadow of that tree will be a sadaqah jariyah for you. And you know, our concept of charity in Islam is not only limited to money, to monetary charity. You don't need to be some corporate class businessman to do an act of charity. Our Prophet ﷺ said, "At-tabassum ila wajhi akhika laka sadaqah." If you just pass a smile at your frowning brother, it is as if you are giving him something in charity. So just planting a tree too is a charity. It's an act of charity. And keeping your environment clean. For example, Prophet ﷺ said, "Al-iman birrun wa sabuna shu'bah. Afdaluha qawlu la ilaha illallah wa adnaha amatatul adha anit tariq." Iman, belief, it has 70 odd branches. The greatest and the highest branch of this tree of Iman is the testimony that there is no God but Allah. And another branch of this very tree of Iman is amatatul aza anit tariq. If you just remove a pebble, a stone, a thorn, or litter, waste, whatever is scattered up in your vicinity, if you lift it from your roadside and make road clean, this too is a part of your belief. So this is said by our Prophet ﷺ. When you get engaged, my dear sons, daughters, when you get engaged in these types of activities, you also get a sort of catharsis. Yes. For example, when you don't have anything to do, sometimes we visit those sites which are very much immoral, which are not good for our mental health, for our psychological health. Or sometimes you see, unfortunately enough, that people are going to, our youngsters are going towards substance abuse, towards drug abuse. But when you channelize your energies in a positive and constructive way, by way of protecting your environment, by way of keeping your environment clean, that very extra energy, what I can say, surplus energy, which can take you towards those dopamine highs.
Okay, of course, sir. Okay, now
Yes.
we want to say how we can make this cleanliness drive or environmental drive as a sense of integrity under the multi-religious society.
Yes, you know, each and every religion gives emphasis upon the human betterment.
Yes, sir.
If you see, for example, if you even see Bhagavad Gita,
Yes, sir.
Sri Krishna at one instance he says that whenever there will be immorality, yada yada yadharmasya dhanir-bhavata bharata, abhyudhamasya dharmasya tadatmanam sujanam,
Exactly.
sarvadharm samsthapana sayar sambhavami yuge. Whenever there will be this moral imbalance, ecological imbalance, psychological imbalance, then thereupon Allah or God will send anybody who will educate the masses, and it is imperative upon him to educate the masses about the general balance of the universe.
He will do the prophetic work.
He will do the prophetic work. So whatever you are also doing, it is the continuity of the prophetic work. It is the prophetic mission which Prophet ﷺ has just inherited. You have inherited from him, that we have to work for the betterment of the entire universe.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू, गॉड ब्लेस।
ये थे डॉक्टर समीर शफी सिद्दीकी जो आज प्लांटेशन ड्राइव में इन्होंने आज हिस्सा लिया। बिजबिहारा दारा शुक्र पार्क में प्लांटेशन ड्राइव मिशन ग्रीन के तहत ये प्लांटेशन ड्राइव की गई थी। और यहाँ पे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं ऑक्सफोर्ड बिजबिहारा के, तो यहाँ पे डॉक्टर समीर शफी सिद्दीकी ने ये मैसेज दी है कि कितना मुफीद होता है कि एक दरख्त अगर, एक पेड़ अगर इंसान लगाए तो कितना सदका जारिया उसके लिए ये रहता है।